Hey, my Level Up lovely. So it's Janet with Level Up with Janet E. YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You can catch it everywhere. Okay. So this is December, and I love December because not only is it the birth of our Savior Jesus Christ, it is a good time to finish things off for the year and start things anew in the next year. And the next year for us is 2023. So I'm going to talk about New Year, Next Level You. So what do we have that we need to finish up for this year to make sure that we are profitable, productive as we go into 2023? So I'm going to talk a little bit more about that. See you soon. Okay, my Level Up lovelies, glad that you're back with us. So I want to talk today about moving forward from 2022 into 2023. So we're talking about New Year, Next Level You. So what does that mean? That as we're looking to move to the next level or level up, level up, make sure that we are doing things that we need to do in order to close out 2022 right, and then go into the new year. So before we get into the video, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe, and comment, of course, if you have any comments, because we want to make sure that you continue to get this valuable content. All right, so the first thing that we need to do, and this is something that I've been thinking about myself and been practicing, is just making sure we take an assessment of the current year. So what went right? What went wrong? What are some things that were positive and we accomplished? What are some challenges? So what are some things that we need to make sure that we continue to work on? So once again, we want to take assessment of what has worked and what has not worked. I know for me, this is me just putting my personal thing in there, is that I wanted to, or I'm making sure that I'm finishing my doctorate, and that is something that I'm looking to do. I was trying to do it by the end of this year. So I'm taking an assessment of how much do I need to do in order to make sure that I complete it as much as I can before the end of the year. So that is the opportunity for me. And then looking at the next year. But for now, I'm going to take an assessment of this year, what has went right, what has went wrong, not wrong, but what is an opportunity or a challenge. And then we go to number 2. So as we're moving into 2023, now we want to look forward. And I always incorporate the Bible anytime I do any of these Level Up with Janet E's, because that is the foundation. So if we're talking about moving forward, God always talking about making things new, old things come to pass, and we are making things new again. So that means that you are renewing your mind, you are renewing your mindset, you're renewing your motivation as you go into 2023. So what do you have to do in order to renew all those things? You have to stay focused, for one, but also after you reassess what you've done for the current year, now you have to set goals. Now, those may be the same goals that you had in 2022. That's fine. If you didn't complete the goals that you had in 2022 and you want to continue to work on those in 2023, go for it. Make that list, but set those goals of what you want to accomplish in 2023. Now, once again, I always stress, and I do this for myself too, make these incremental goals. Incremental meaning that you're doing a piece at a time, because a lot of times what we will do is we will be like, okay, I have this big grandiose goal, and if we falter a little bit, or if we feel like we're going too slow, or we feel like we're not doing enough, or there's too many distractions, then we just pan the goal altogether and say, whatever, I'm not going to do that anymore. But we want to do things in small steps. Just like God doesn't give us the full picture or the full vision of what he wants us to do. He gives us only snapshots so we can kind of keep moving forward and motivating to move forward. That's the same thing for your goals. He's going to give you little steps, and you want to do it in terms of incremental steps so that you can have those small wins that's going to keep you going, keep you motivated. All right. So once again, I stress doing it incrementally, setting up not only a big goal, but setting up those smaller steps on how to accomplish it. And that is part 3. Part 3 is setting up those goals on how to accomplish it, and then remaining focused. Now, remaining focused is very important. It is the key to anything that you're doing in terms of goal setting. It's easy to get distracted, and you see all my rosary and my butterflies there, but it's easy to get distracted, to get stressed, and honestly, that's what keeps on moving. Sorry about that. But that's what the devil wants. He wants you to get distracted. He wants you to not focus on your goals. You see somebody say, he's trying to distract me now. It's not going to work, devil. So he wants you to get distracted. He wants you to stay not focused on what you're striving for. And what you're striving for is something better. You're striving for a goal. So I want you to stay focused. I want you to not be distracted and not be moved by anything that's happening around you. So like me, I just keep on talking because we're going to get this word out today. Thank you very much. So just like God is renewing your mind, your spirit, and not keeping you focused, you want to also meditate on what God has for you and what he's trying to do, and then keep focused on that. So one, we are reassessing to year 2022, seeing what we need to focus on, or in that year, what challenges and what accomplishments. Two, we want to set goals. And once again, you set that big goal and set those incremental goals underneath it. And then three, we want to not only move forward with that goal in 2023, but we want to stay focused and not get distracted. Okay, so those are important points. I'm keeping those points for myself too as I move forward and hopefully get my doctorate within the next couple of months. So please root for me. And there are a couple other exciting things that's happening in 2023 as well that I will keep you abreast of. All right, I love you, my level up lovelies. I hope that you are going to be spending precious time with your family and friends during the holidays, because that is so important. Before we go headfirst into 2023, make sure that you get that woo-saw time for yourself. All right. So I love you. Continue to level up as we end 2022. I'm going to do my pictures and review like I did last year. I'm going to post that at the beginning of the year, and then you'll see me in 2023 in January with a new level up post. All right. Mwah. Love you so much. I will see you in the new year. Have a blessed holiday. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, whatever you celebrate, make sure to enjoy it. All right. Stay blessed. Bye. We know what to do. 3, 2, 1, 5.